Hi, I'm Abby Neiman, RV sales consultant at Lichtsinn RV. Don't let the size fool you. The Winnebago Revel is measured at 19 feet 7 inches in length, but for those that want to blaze their own trail, the Winnebago Revel is waiting. The Winnebago Revel is built on the Mercedes-Benz BS30 diesel chassis, including on-demand four-wheel drive with high-low range and electronic stability and traction control. And that is just the beginning of what makes the Winnebago Revel an ideal adventure vehicle. The Winnebago Revel also includes optional performance wheels and BF Goodrich all-terrain tires, a 320 amp-hour lithium-ion battery with a dedicated second alternator to charge the system that is expandable with a second Lichtsinn RV installed 320 amp-hour battery, increasing the Revel's total watt hours to 8,266. A state-of-charge battery management system that can be controlled via an app, so you don't need to be inside the Revel to control it. A 2,000-watt inverter providing whole coach electric service. 2 solar panels, one 115 watt and one 100 watt, providing 215 watts of solar total. Additional solar can be added as the solar controller can handle up to 450 watts. Easy to clean heavy-duty vinyl flooring, a large gear garage with removable cargo tie-downs to secure your gear, a swiveling cassette toilet. This portable black tank allows you to dispose of its contents virtually anywhere, including public restrooms, so you're not limited to dumping at a campground dump station. An additional cassette can be purchased as well. Or you can make it your own. Here are just some examples of items that we have added to the Winnebago Revel for our guests to make it uniquely theirs. Ski racks, bike racks, rear tire mounts, bumpers, light bars, additional solar, a rear door box storage, the LSP storage and power package. Enjoy the road less traveled in the Winnebago Revel. Contact myself or another Lichtsinn RV sales consultant to find out more about the Winnebago Revel.